Hey, what it is, YouTube? So it's been a minute since I did a video about my whip. Last time I showed you guys how to got a lot of feedback, I appreciate that, how to put the 22's on my Kia Optima. Well, today I'm actually taking them off. It's been about a year and a half, 2 years I've had them on my whip. Nothing personal, I like the way it looked or anything like that, but I've had some issues, not with the performance or the actual wheel being on the vehicle, but I got into a car accident, messed up the front end on the car, and then I had a recall on my motor that when I purchased the car they didn't tell me about the recall, so I had to get that fixed. And then today I was driving it, had a blowout, and like I said, I'll be transparent with you guys, but I had a blowout and had some issues. So now I'm just gonna take the wheels off, but I just kind of want to show you guys what I had to deal with. And then also, if you guys do have a Kia Optima and you're having some of the same issues, maybe I could tell you what I went through, and maybe you need to go and type in your VIN number on the Kia website and see if you have a recall. They'll take you in free of charge, local Kia dealership. They'll swap out everything, put a new engine in the whip or whatever, and you'll be good to go. But first off, let's take a look at the damage on these wheels. Alright, so first things first, remember I had the Cavallo, however you say it, 22's, the gunmetal, and the polished aluminum joints, the 22's, 22 by 9.5 is what I had on my Kia Optima. But had a blowout, you know, the rubber bands. That's the thing with the rubber bands, man. As you can see, I didn't even drive it that long. When it popped, I literally pulled over. I probably was going about 60, 65. You can see here, I'm guessing this was the initial start of it. But then if you look at the back of the tire, you can see on the back it was like a lot of damage. Pretty much busted the tire wide open. Look at that, all the way down to the, you know, they're tubeless tires. So, but y'all way around, little damage to the wheels right there. And then as you can see there, it actually bent the wheel. I see if it's focused. I mean, which, you know, that's easy fix. It didn't do that much damage. So still all in all a good wheel. Just, you know, a blowout when you have rubber band tires, you know. But actually gonna put my factories back on. Like I said, I mean, I think the look of the car cosmetically was dope on it, but right now I have the donut on it. Baby girls is helping me, you know, putting in the work. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. So as far as the recall, so if you guys are actually driving your car, and the first issue that I had, the battery, it wouldn't start. No matter if I boosted it off or anything like that, I bought a brand new battery. And then the other thing was, whenever I would drive the car, the motor would just vibrate. And really bad, because, you know, it's the push start. So I did a lot of different things. Everybody told me that the intake was bad on the car, blah blah blah, this and that. Dude, check the VIN number. Even if you're not having problems, if you have a 2012 to 2016, go on kia.com, type in the VIN number and see if you have the recall, if the recall has been done on your vehicle. I bought mine from a dealership, it hadn't been done. So I took it in, they gave me a rental, didn't have to pay for that. 5-6 days later, gave me back my whip, I was good to go. Now it's just about putting these factories back on it. You know, I'll probably put the 22's back on it later, but right now I'm just on my factory thing, because I just don't want to deal with the hassle of putting a new tire and all that good stuff. Like I said, cosmetically, performance-wise, looks good, car ran fine. It's just, for me, right now, 22's gotta go on the Kia. But I appreciate you guys, all the comments that you made on my last video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this video is helping you guys out, if you have any issues. And if you type in your VIN number and it happens to help you, smash that subscribe button, man, for me, you know, putting you on the info. It's your boy Truth. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm out.